Hip flexor exercise for carry here. From the side, we're making sure that the spine doesn't flex, so the shoulders and the hips stay stacked on top of each other. We've got a little lean back to make space for the hip flexors. And then as Carrie lifts, she's making sure that her knee is externally rotating her knee and her hip, so they're rolling slightly out to the side. We don't want to see them coming into the midline at all. Nice job. So Darren's got a nice abdominal hollow, butt's tight. He's pulling up with the hip flexors and kicking forward into the band. Okay, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. This is phenomenal for anterior core activation, hip flexor strength, and improving your pull-ups as well. If you want better pull-ups, don't let your hips and your butt fall behind you. It just makes you